This video quickly puts you through on how to make Google Drive link public. We're going to do this on a web browser that is stored on a PC as well as on mobile device. I will first walk you through on how to do this on the web using your PC before we get to the mobile. Alright. First is to launch a web browser, and here I'll be using Google Chrome for this. Visit drive.google.com and log in. Once you're here, the next step is to click on My Drive. Get to the file you want to make its link public. Click on the three dots and select Share. Then you will see Copy Link and you will see Share option. Click on this Share. So once on this page, you will see the General Access section. Click here. Here is restricted, so click and then select anyone with the link. So allow it to update. With this, you have given everyone with the link access to work on this file. Alright, so the next step is to click on copy. So once you copy this link and send it to people, anyone with it can view and edit. I am on my Android, so let me access the Google Drive on it. Alright, look at my drive. I'll tap on it. So once you're here, ensure that you are on the Files tab. Alright. Then after that, get to the file you want to make its link public. So let's say this one named My New Pic. I want to make it public. So the next step is to tap on the three dots on it. Then select Manage Access. On this Manage Access page, you can see under General section is restricted. So tap on the Change button. Then tap on that restricted. Then tap on anyone with the link. So it's updating. Next step is to tap on the link icon, which is at the top right. And this link is copied. So let me open my web browser on a different Google account for us to try this out. So I'll tap on Chrome. So I will long press inside the search. I'll tap inside the search area, long press there, then select paste. Then I'll tap on search. Okay, as you can see, I'm able to access the link so easily without any stress. If this helps, consider subscribing because we cover a lot on information technology to learn more. See you some other time.